So we have a support, a heavy, and a sniper. Works for me. I like Chris. But now she's a sniper. Should be even better.
Touching down.
Begin assault.
Our target site is near the German border.
I don't know why you bothered to tell me where these things are
It looks
located.
like the aliens went down in a sparsely populated area. If there are civilians in the area, I hope they stay clear.
Locate the crashed UFO, which should be an enormous burning wreck. Sweep the area for surviving crew and neutralize them. Locate and secure meld canisters. Avoid additional damage to the craft as possible. Some components may be recoverable, so don't blow everything up. That's too bad, because I really like blowing everything up. Which apparently is even more doable in XCOM 2. It looks like you can take out, like, walls and all of that jazz. Or not walls, but like, yes, walls, but also other things.
North of the crash site. Strike 1 is in position to engage.
Loud and clear, Big Sky. We'll monitor those readings from here. Strike 1 is authorized to assault the alien craft.
Okay, so I also want to find... Wow, is it really this big?
Looks like the crash site is dead ahead. We should expect heavy resistance here. There's no telling how many hostiles were on board. Approach the craft with caution and attempt a breach if possible.
Okay, so there's one right there. I don't know if I'm supposed to be able to do that. I mean, I guess we took satellite photos. So... Jeez, which person are you? You're the... You're not new, what are you? Soldier info. You're the support. Good to know. You can go... Let's go here first. Anybody? Nobody. Then you can go here. Pan, I believe you are the new person. Let's have you dash out. Yes, you. Let's have you dash out front. Kraus doesn't need to go far, she's a sniper, so we'll have you stay back here. And Ivanov is my heavy weapons guy. We'll have you take up a fun location out here. Headshot, Overwatch. Cannot move and fire this weapon in the same turn. Okay. That's because she's now a pistol. Or a sniper. So we'll hunker down. And give them their turn. So I can see one of them? Oh, I can. I have 4 turns to get there. Wow. Okay. So the meld is new. That was not in just XCOM Enemy Unknown. That's DLC stuff. So I kind of want to get it, because that's the part of the game I do not know. Let's go here. Nobody. Okay. I don't want to... We'll go here next. Oh. They've been spotted. You guys gonna split? Ah, of course you split up. No line of fire for you. So we'll have you go here. Ivanov could probably free fire a rocket, but not terribly useful. Dang, man. We'll have you move to there. And Overwatch. And we'll have the support move to the full cover wall. That's awesome. 50, 50. Now you can just Overwatch. Kraus will have to bunker down. And the other person sprinted. Where are you gonna go? They're going to link their brains. Okay. I'm going to crush you guys again. Is that the new person you shot at? That was the new person you shot at. Okay, well. $55. What if I tell you to take a headshot? Does up to 5 damage. Sure, let's try it. What have I got to lose? Oh, sweet. Awesome. Okay. So Fawn. 50% chance. would be nice. Yeah, let's try for it. There's another wall right there. Shooting through the wall. Well done. Okay, so Pan, get your butt over to that thing. Of course. Well, at least she's behind full cover. But everybody seems to be on that side of the ship, so Ivanov, your buddy over there is going to need help. So go help out. And that should end my turn and start theirs. Which sucks. Pan is unlucky. Apparently she is the one that opens up all of the boxes. You're gonna fire at her again? Yeah. She's simultaneously lucky and unlucky. Okay. I want you to collect that. Now, before I kill myself, or you, I should say, let's save. Accept. Save it. Huan Yu Pan does not have a great chance at shooting either. How is your cover, though? Your cover's pretty good. Although they're kind of shooting at you. That, I think, might be better cover? It's hard to say. Okay, let's see if we can't... No, you're not going to be able to help out. Great. Okay, Ivanov, you can't get anywhere useful. Nor can Fong. Okay, Pan, you're in a bad place. I know that's only half cover, but let's have you get away from them. Because that's not going well. And we'll move you over to here, which is now clustering our people together. That's okay. We'll overwatch. I don't want to cluster everybody together, so you can just overwatch. And you can overwatch. So if they want to come shoot at us, bring it. Downside is, yeah, I have to go find them again now. Yep, stepped out. That was a bad choice. Not sure which of you guys got him. One of you did. Good job. Okay, so there were two. So someone's still out there. So, Pan, since you're so great at finding people, go find somebody. Nobody. Great. We'll let Ivanov... I really don't want to spread out too much. All the cover is so far apart, though, is part of the problem. I know there's somebody over there, so I don't want to, like, leave that side open. So I guess I should make my way in that direction, then. So we'll have you go there. Kraus is going to wind up useless if you don't move somewhere, so you can move there. Which leaves Fong unable to go anywhere terribly useful. You know what, you can just watch everybody else, and so can you. Somebody can see you. My sniper can see you, and you're gonna regret having not made that shot, buddy. So, saving. I really am gonna try not to do this too much. But I don't want my people to get shot. Okay, so 55. It worked before, let's do it again. You got a shot? Nope. Miss. That sucks. Okay, yours is still terrible. That will not give you useful coverage. That's full cover, and probably better...
The readings can't be right. If they were, that's a being of almost pure energy.
The alien craft is still intact. They've got some kind of energy field protecting parts of the ship. We'll have to look for an opening.
The readings coming from that creature are like nothing I've ever seen.
Well, I don't want to be there anymore.
Study it when it's dead, Doctor. Let's take that thing down.
Yeah. So, I still can't really get anywhere terribly useful. Yeah, we'll move. I don't know how far my vision range is, but let's have you scoot up. Oh, you can see him now. I really don't want those two getting hurt. So let's see if we can't buy ourselves some cover. Oh good. I was like, that was a smoke grenade, right? Great. Okay. So he's even less likely to hit me now. And now he hits, of course. Jeez. Okay, so you two are in a bad place. Was it Pan? It was Pan that got shot. You do not have a good bead on anybody. Jeez, this is just like a bad place to be located. I don't like this. So, I'm gonna move you. Pan, you need to back up. Seriously. You are not in a good place. You need to prove yourself here. Yeah, I'm totally not gonna make this shot. But you never know. Yep, that was a whiff. Which leaves Fong sort of unable to cover anybody, but we can still try it. Please, miss. Nope, you hit. Great. I usually try pretty hard to avoid injuries, and I'm not doing well at this right now. Okay, panicked, but not dead, right? Yeah, just panicked. Not going so great. Because I'm having trouble getting a bead on them. Okay. So we are going to back up. Seriously. Like, we need... Wait. Didn't I? Oh, I have 2 people panicked. Okay. Well, you... Let's try not to hurt the ship too much. Can't see if I'm going to hit him or not. Let's kill him. Okay.
Incredible. It seems to have vanished.
No, it's right there on the ground. I can still see it. It says it's an outsider. It's probably a bug. I get one more shot, so let's overwatch this sucker. Go ahead, try and move again. And I'm dead. I don't have a med kit. So this is why I save. I don't remember how many rounds back this was. Probably before everybody panicked. I am so sorry that I am going backwards in the game like this. Yeah, nobody's panicked yet. And there's just that little douchebag, which even if I tried again, it's not 50-50. So this was something I figured out when I was playing Enemy Unknown, was it's totally not 50-50. It's a lot less.
Looks like the crash site is dead ahead. We should expect heavy resistance here. There's no telling how many hostiles were on board. Approach the craft with caution and attempt a breach if possible.
I'm going to this side. Let's have you... I don't want you there. I really don't. move to here.
The alien craft is still intact. They've got some kind of energy
I don't-
field protecting parts of the ship. We'll have to look for an opening.
We'll move you to there. And Fong gets to do his thing where he sits, she sits, and supposedly defends people. And you can hunker down. Okay. So you gotta come to me, buddy. He overwatched. Okay. That's fine. I now have... It's still a 35% chance. It's terrible. 27. 30. He has a wonderful position, but nobody's dead, so... This time we didn't get pincered between the outsider and the little impossible to hit guy. So that's not gonna work. And if I sit still, you'll just take pot shots at me. So I need to take you out. Can you throw a grenade? That far. No. That sucks. I want you to bunker down. Hunker down, whatever. It's all the same thing. You could probably... I probably could have had them run forward and throw a grenade. Still could. So let's move... Let's do it. Let's move you forward, and then I'm going to have you frag that guy. Oh, but he's overwatched. Thank goodness I did not get shot, making an incredibly stupid decision. So you, my stupid little friend, need to die. Definitely dead. Okay, and Pan, destroyer of good luck. Anything? No. Then sit still. Fong, I don't want you stuck behind. So you move to there. Okay, anybody? No. So who wants to spot the big bad ugly? I wish it didn't have to be you. So most of my people are on this side, so let's have her scoot this away. And if something pops up, hopefully I can see it.
Can't be right. If there were, that's a being of almost pure energy. The readings coming from that creature are like nothing I've ever seen.
Don't care, it dies.
You can study it when it's dead, Doctor. Let's take that thing down.
So long. I don't want to die.
Incredible. It
Done.
seems to have vanished.
Hey, I got the air canister.
Mission accomplished.
That went so much better than the previous time where someone died and 2 people got shot. Like, I feel like it's hard to kind of do better than that. Nobody goes up, nobody goes up. A beam weapon, alien nav computer, flight computers, power source. Yeah,
Welcome
whatever.
back, Commander. I wanted to speak to you about our current fleet of interceptors. It's crucial that we keep several of these aircraft on high alert. We'll need them to intercept any future alien contacts, and it's likely we'll suffer some losses in the process. I think it's also worth mentioning that even a full squadron of interceptors will do no good against our enemy if we don't know where they are. Additional satellite coverage will be required before we are able to detect alien craft elsewhere on the planet. Visit us in engineering should you wish to build additional satellites. Goodbye, Commander.
The XCOM database provides a running archive of gameplay. Information can be accessed at any time via the pause menu. Okay. So.
Commander, I realize our troops have to put their own survival first, but every alien we use explosives against is one less opportunity to recover new artifacts.
We've still got some room to grow up here, but if we really want to expand our facilities, we're going to have to start excavating beneath the base. Unfortunately, the deeper we go, the more it's going to cost.
Well, we'll start an excavation so we can do stuff. what if we want to build something? Scope, medkit, satellite. I can't currently defend the 2 satellites that I have, so that certainly doesn't seem useful. That would improve aim. Everybody's missing at the moment, making me use explosives on everything. I don't see me carrying medkits though. Barracks. Squad size increased to 5 soldiers. An XCOM soldier must achieve the rank of sergeant to unlock this upgrade. Okay. Yeah, I don't need to hire more people. So we'll just...
I still can't believe Dr. Vaughn expects our troops to try to bring one of those things back here in one piece. Much less alive.
Several members of the council have expressed an interest in acquiring...
That's okay, I'm not selling stuff to him yet. So we'll just scan for activity. Awesome. Arc thrower's done. So now we can incapacitate stuff. Cool. So... Alien materials, meld recombination. The invaders appear to have deployed canisters. I'm... 5 days. Or the sectoid autopsy. Let's do the meld recombination.
I agree. That does seem to be the most pressing of our current research options.
We'll
begin immediately. I will notify you when a complete report is available.
Yep, so there we go. We've got one of those being built. Now we can return and scan. Our facility's done? Yep. Cool, we can catch things now.
Alien containment facility online.
Okay, if we were to build a new facility, nope, no space for it. So we'll just have to wait. So then...
We've assembled everything we need to capture and house an alien for
Good for you, don't care. I'm already aware of what we've done. What is that?
So, what is it, Doctor?
Is that a red blood cell with technology on it?
It's remarkable.
That's not
The
descriptive.
crystalline structure housed within the canister is actually a suspension containing billions of cybernetic nanomachines, each made up of both organic and mechanical components.
My team's analysis indicates these microscopic robots are capable of assembling mechanical structures with unprecedented efficiency. With further study and some specialized facilities, we may be able to engineer a sort of cybersuit that interfaces with the human body.
My team is more interested in the possibility of physically altering the tissue itself, incorporating aspects of the alien's own genetic adaptations by using the nanites to fuse the foreign material.
The commander will have to decide where the greatest advantage lies. Is there anything you agree on?
Given the apparent purpose of the nanites, they allow combining organic materials with one another, or with machines. We have at least agreed to call them
Meld.
Okay. So I can make mutants, or I can make killer death machines. People. This is not...
Excavation complete.
Yes, I need you to start something new now. Cybernetics lab available, genetics lab available, Mech 1 warden available, hyperreactive pupils available in gene lab, depth perception available in gene lab, adaptive bone marrow available in gene lab, and 40 additional meld reconstituted. Cybernetics lab. Here we'll be able to build mechanized exoskeletal cybersuits, mechs, and augmented soldiers to wear them. This facility counts as a workshop for adjacent benefits. Use the build facilities option in engineering to construct this facility. Genetics lab. This annex to the research labs will allow us to genetically modify our soldiers. This facility counts as a laboratory for adjacency benefits. Use the build facilities option in engineering to construct this facility. Adaptive bone marrow. Wound recovery time is reduced by 66%. Soldier regenerates 2 HP per turn, up to the HP max without armor. Whoa. Height advantages confers additional aim and crit chance. Plus 10 aim on any shot after a miss. Heck yeah. Mech 1 Warden, Kinetic Strike Module. A powerful arm upgraded for the mech, allowing the wielder to pulverize adjacent cover and enemies, also boosts mobility. Or a flamethrower. Allows the mech to lay waste to a cone-shaped area. Flame can spill outside the aiming area. Good to know. Okay. We're gonna go with experimental warfare, because stuff's been going good.
This technology has a number of potential applications. I'm sure the science team is eager to begin. I'll notify you as soon as we have something significant to report.
I thought you were able to build me a thing. Okay. I have 125. That's 50. That's 50. Cost 3 power. Okay. So, counts as a workshop. Good to know. So, I'm going to go cybernetics. Because, heck yeah, giant robots. I'm sorry, but aliens might be amazing, but robots are going to rule the world. So, it's just how it's going to go, and we'll excavate that. And now, we get to scan. I'm going to turn someone into a Terminator. It's just going to happen.
Excavation complete.
Cool. Okay, so what did this get us? Foundry available for construction, Reaper rounds available for manufacture, flashbang, and Phoenix cannon. I didn't have a foundry before? Experimental ballistics have led to this specialized conventional weapon load. It can cause substantial extra damage to affected targets, but the additional casing elements make it less accurate at long range. The rounds will not work with pistols, though. Okay. Develop new combat items or improve current items in the foundry. This facility counts as a workshop for adjacency benefits. Okay. Phoenix cannon is a new thing for the ship. And the flashbang emits a disorientating flash of light with accompanying sounds. Any enemies that can see the blast will be disorientated, suffering severe penalties to aim and movement. Robotic and psionic enemies are immune. Okay, good to know. Why don't you look at that sectoid autopsy for me?
We've made a number of interesting discoveries based on the autopsy results of the alien specimen you brought back. The research team is now referring to this particular variation as a sectoid, based on the unusual structure of its internal organs, which we believe to be the product of genetic manipulation. As we've seen in the field, this species also seems to harbor some sort of telepathic ability.
They're also apparently extremely juicy and potentially ripe. Okay, so you can build this stuff. What is that? Oh, it takes more engineers. Okay. Massive damage, limited range. Okay, so we'll avoid that for now, because I nearly got blown up last time. Let's go with if I were to build a thing. So research speed goes up when you have adjacent facilities there. Foundry is what I want. Insufficient funds. Dang. Fine, don't just excavate because I can't afford it anyways. And we'll build a lift. So we can get to the next level. And continue to wait for next month, I guess. Mission control. Find me something to earn me money.
Commander, we've picked up multiple requests for assistance. Abductions in progress are marked on the hologlobe.
That gets me a support, that gets me an engineer, that gets me scientists. Moderate, moderate, moderate. Mechanical levels are low in all three places. So would I rather have engineers or scientists? I think I'd rather have engineers build me things, scientists... I think scientists are the bottleneck, so we'll go with there. Pan, you still need a payoff. Fong, you were not terribly useful last time, so let's find somebody new. Okafor. Awesome. So let's do this. Ivanov. Where is Delgado? There. I like Delgado. It's a nice manly man. Yeah, look at that. Okay. Hopefully I do not regret this.
Strike one. Prepare for landing.
Begin assault.
The next